Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Clear one surface and place only the essentials. Set a lamp to warm light and open a neutral playlist. This creates consistent mood lighting and reduces decision fatigue. Next, arrange your notebook, pens, highlighters, and sticky tabs in reachable order so you don't interrupt flow. Start with a 5-10 minute timer to trigger focus. Once done, label one tab for priorities. This first active step establishes an attractive base and makes the rest fast. You now shape the aesthetic system. Choose 2-4 colors and assign each to a subject. Once committed, carry them across notebooks, folders, and digital files so everything reads as a set. Make your page layout consistent: 1 centimeter margins, grid or dot paper for neat lines, and small icons for headers to aid scanning. Scan key pages to the cloud with a consistent file name pattern, and organize folders by subject. This keeps both physical and digital spaces harmonized and easy to maintain. You finish by adding rituals that preserve the aesthetic. Each week, spend 10-15 minutes resetting, tidy desk, replace supplies, and update your planner so visual order remains. Create small rituals: a fresh pen at the start, a quick photo of keynotes, and a 5-minute reward break. These reinforce the habit. If clutter creeps back, use a 2-minute reset at the end of every session. This simple checkpoint catches issues early and keeps your space both pretty and practical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.